Hello everyone, my name is Alfredo Hayag. I am the Principal Technical Product Specialist here at Peregrine Connect, and welcome to our demonstration on how to map XSD files within Flightpath. Start off by opening Neuron. Click on File, New, and then Repository. In order to map data, you need source and target data. You can either upload your file using the file browser, or you can upload the files you want to use into our document repository for easier access later on. Just select the wanted document, select Import, and then click Open. Finally, select the file and click Apply. Now you can open it in Flightpath in the document repository. Then click on Data Mapper and launch Flightpath. To work with XSD data, we need to import the source file. Click on the XSD file icon, then choose File System. Navigate to the location of your source file and click Open to load the data. Flightpath will load your source XSD data, and you will see a preview displayed on your screen. For effective mapping, we also need target XML data. Click on XML schema, then Document Repository. Select your file and then click Next, and then Finish. Now that both source and target data has been loaded, we can begin a basic mapping. Simply connect the corresponding elements or attributes by holding the Control key. You can test your mapping by clicking on the play button on the top right of the screen. Import the source file and click on Transform to see the finalized results. We finally reached the end of our demonstration. I hope that we were able to convey the richness and ease of use built into the Data Mapper. Watch our series videos on the Data Mapper, which guides you on how to use the features we discussed today in various mapping scenarios which you may encounter in your integration journey. We work with our customers and partners each day to get the insight we need to provide you with a better experience. Integration shouldn't be hard. That's why we built Peregrine Connect. An evaluation version of Peregrine Connect's suite of applications can be downloaded from our website as www.peregrineconnect.com. We look forward to hearing from you.